Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Sandy. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a get ready with me video, Thanksgiving edition. So I did a poll on Instagram and I let you guys choose my makeup. So this is what you guys came up with. I think the only thing that I forgot to put on there was blush. So I went ahead and picked the blush that I thought was appropriate for Thanksgiving, although you can do any kind of makeup look that you want. So if you guys want to see what look I create, then keep on watching. Okay, first is first. You guys already know that I like to start off with primer first. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Primer because you know your girl is oily. Right now I look a little extra oily. It's because I have my moisturizer, and then I always apply sunscreen. So the sunscreen always makes my skin look like this. And I know my skin is not that great right now. I figured out the culprit in what's been making my skin break out. And if you guys follow me on Twitter, I posted it, I want to say a few days ago. And then I'm going to go in with my MAC Paint Pot and Soft Ochre to prep my eyelids. So, what's been making me break out, you guys, is tofu. As many of you guys know, or if you don't know, I don't eat meat, so I started eating tofu. So, I think it's been, I want to say March of last year, that's what I started, right? And I started eating tofu, and my skin, instead of getting better, it got disgusting. At first I thought it was just like, oh, okay, maybe my body is like getting rid of the toxins. That's what I thought for the longest time, you guys. And then there for a little while, like a few months ago, I got lazy, and because you gotta cook the tofu, you know what I mean, to make it taste good. So I got lazy and I didn't do that, and my skin started getting clear up, and I was like, oh, you know, my skin is looking better. And I started again, maybe like a few weeks ago. I started eating tofu like more often, and this is what happened. My face just started to break out, and I was like, what the fuck? Like, I haven't changed my skincare routine. I've been using the same stuff forever. I don't know what the hell's going on. And then I started pinpointing down, and it was tofu. So then we're gonna go in with the Tati Beauty palette. Let me show you guys again how it looks if I can open it. So pretty. Look at those colors. And then I'm thirsty, so let me get a sip of my water. Get a sip. And I already have my eyebrows on. I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in soft brown. So I'm gonna go in with my Wayne Goss 18 brush, and I kind of want to do like a glittery look. I'm gonna go in with this orangey color. It's called Story, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. We're gonna try to use that as the transition color. Just gonna wing it. So I'm gonna pack the color on first, and then we're gonna blend it. And sorry if you hear noise in the background. Those are my children making noise. And then I'm gonna go with the color Soothe right here. I'm gonna add that in my crease with the same Wayne Goss brush. I'm just gonna go in here and just tap it in, and then just blend it. I'm going to trade brushes. I'm going to go in with a MAC 217 brush. And I am going to go in with the black right here. This one is in, that one's called Memory. And we're going to pick a little bit up. And then I'm going to put it on the outer corner of my eye. So I'm just going to pull a little bit. And just kind of tap it in first, you know. We don't want it to get too patchy. And then I went in again. Put it in there. Just tap it in. Put some more. And then put some up here. And then kind of slowly blend it in. The crease like that. Slowly, slowly. Get some more of it. Tap it in there, in the crease. And then just blend it. And then just blend. So we can smoke that color out. And then I'm going to go back with that Wayne 18 brush with no additional color and then just kind of blend it out. And then going back with that MAC 217 brush, no additional color, and then just kind of tap it in and blend. Because you know how sometimes if you don't blend here and you close your eyes when you're trying to take pictures, you can see the crease. So that's what I don't want. So I'm not going to do a cut crease. I'm going to go in with some glitter. So I think I want to use that one right there. And see, I haven't tried it yet. So we're going to try to apply it with the brush. But I think she said it's better with the finger. But let's see. So I'm going to take my Dose of Colors shader brush. And then I'm going to pick up that glitter. That brush. Oh, it's not really picking up much. See, just a little bit. So let's see. Oh, it's pretty. Do you guys see that? Yeah, let's try with my fingers. I'm gonna get my finger. So I'm gonna get my Wayne Goss 18 brush and go back with that Story color, just a little bit. Just a little bit, and then just go back up here. Just blend that color out. Then I'm gonna go back with my 217 brush and get that color Memory, the black, and then just put a little bit more here, like this. That is so pretty, guys. And then I'm going to go in with the MAC 217 brush again, and I'm going to get the sequin color, so it's above the black, this one right here. And I just want to put a little bit on the outer view of my eye where I have that black right here. So I went ahead and did the other eye off camera, and I applied the Baddie B lashes in Instahoe. So those are the ones that I'm wearing right now. They're so fluffy and so cute. I know, I guess it kind of hides the eyeshadow look, but here it is. I feel like it's more New Year's Eve vibe kind of look, but like I said, it's makeup, so we can do what we want. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my concealer. I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. And I'm going to put that on first and let it sit, so we get a fuller coverage. And this concealer is a little bit, it's not that light. It's almost as my skin tone, a little bit. So we're going to let that sit there, and we're going to go in with the foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation and take my e.l.f. sponge. You guys know that's my favorite to blend out my foundation. Now that we have that all blended, I'm going to go ahead and blend out the concealer. When you let the concealer sit, it gives it more of a full coverage and it looks better. So then what I like to do with the eyeshadow, if you want to get that sharp cut, I just go like this with the concealer. Or you can get some tape, or e.l.f. sells some tape, and then you can just do it that way if you want a crispier look, but I don't mind cutting it with the concealer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with, I'm going to set my under eyes, and I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. HD powder, which you guys, I hit pan. Look at that. I think this is the first time ever I hit pan on an under eye powder. This is like literally my favorite because it's translucent, but it gives you like a highlight effect, and it looks like so smooth under the eyes, you guys. It looks really good. So you see how it just smooths it out? It's like bomb, and it's only a few bucks. It's not even that expensive. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. I'm gonna use a L'Oreal Mercier Loose Transsetting Powder. And I'm actually going to take my e.l.f. sponge and just put it all over my face. Suck the oils off of my face. I'm going to go ahead and bronze my skin up. I'm using the Fenty Beauty and Private Island. It's a nice, pretty bronzy color. And then I'm going to take my MAC. I don't know the number of it, but it's a MAC brush. It's angled. And I'm just going to chisel my cheeks a little bit. Tap it in first. And then I go back and blend it. And then we'll do like circular motions. You can skip this step. It makes your forehead look a little bit smaller. I don't have that big of a head, but I like it all to go in one, like to look all together. You know what I mean? Like a bronzy everywhere. And then I'm going to do my double chin because I do got. And then on my jawline right here too. And then I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury blush. This one is in the Climax. This one is a Swish and Pop blusher. And I'm going to go in with my NARS brush and just kind of swish it in there and put it right here. Then I'm going to go in with my Airspun loose highlighter. This one is in a glow for gold. And this one is so pretty, so intense. And I'm just going to take my e.l.f. little small taper brush and just pick up a little bit and put it on. Do you guys see just like how pretty that is? And then I already put eyeliner. I used the Avon Kohl pencil just to do my waterline. And then I'm just going to do my under my eyes real quick with the palette. And I'm going to take the Wayne Goss 20 brush and I'm just going to pick up Story and Soothe. Then I'm going to take this color right here and I'm just going to do the inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to take a Real Techniques brush and just put a little bit in there. I like to do this trick. Just whatever is left over on my sponge, go over the lip area so that way if there's any like moisture, the lip liner will go on smooth. So I'm going to use a Huda Beauty lip contour in Flirt and line my lips. And I'm going to take my Bite Beauty Blondie Multi-Stick. I'm going to take a little bit of the Laura Mercier translucent powder on my finger and just put a little bit on my lips since I do want it to look matte. See how it makes it matter with the powder? A little trick there. And then I did apply some of this for Sarli setting spray, and that way my skin looks pretty and dewy and matte and everything luscious all together. So this completes the look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like it. And if you have any more recommendations or any kind of looks that you guys want me to do, let me know in the comments down below. Or you can leave me messages on Instagram or Twitter, whichever one you like. And thank you guys so much for watching and always supporting me. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.